My name is Mamta Mitr. I'm the Senior IT Manager for Dolby Laboratories. I also head up the strategy for our Testing Center of Excellence. We are the pioneers in advancing the science of sight and sound. Whether you're watching a blockbuster movie at a theater or a binge-watch networking show, or you're having a conference on the phone, Dolby probably had a hand behind making it sound good and look good. I work for the Enterprise Applications Group within IT, and about 2 years ago, we encountered a problem that most companies have when there is a lack of automation. And it was definitely a shift in mindset. Everyone knew that some things had to be automated, but we didn't know where to start. We were seeking out for tools that would help us in terms of automation, primarily test automation. And we went through a big assessment phase, and Gartner played a big role. We are partners with Gartner as well. And as part of that, we wanted to embark on this journey, and we started with a small POC, a proof of concept. We wanted to utilize the tool and conduct a POC against the different technologies. We have a varied landscape: SAP, Salesforce, .NET, Visual Studio. So we wanted it to lend itself, the tool that we select, and cater into the different space that we have. So that's how we selected a group of applications for our POC. The POC went on for about 3 months, and we had a set goal in terms of what we wanted to get in terms of the success metrics towards the end of the POC. And we paused after that and measured ourselves to see, how we fared against the success metrics, and we had some good metrics to report. We primarily were looking at metrics such as incidents in production that were categorized specifically in the regression testing category, and that count had drastically dropped. So for the 3 months that we had our POC, we saw a downward trend, and towards the end of it, almost, I don't want to say zero, but very close to those numbers. We also had some good savings in terms of the number of hours spent by our business analysts, our functional team, our technical team. So that was dollars well worth as well. Within Tricentis, I think we utilize heavily all the modules there: test case design, test data management. We have slowly but surely started the journey on exploratory testing. So one of the prerequisites to start automation early on was that there had to be well-documented test cases. So before the automation team went in, they made sure that the test cases were well-documented. But with exploratory testing, it's more of free form. So even if there is no proper documentation, we still encourage those work streams to consider automation by using exploratory testing. We also use reporting, and our QA landscape has, we have Tricentis Tosca for automation. We also use Q-Test from QA Symphony. So there is that, and then we have a Q-Test adapter as well to enable the integration. And both of these in turn talk to Jira, which is our defect management system, and release management. Almost after 2 months on the journey, I want to proudly say that we've come a long way, and we have left some happy customers who keep coming back to us with more work that they want in terms of, hey, can we automate this? Can we expand beyond this? So now we are looking into more of service APIs. We want to get into that interface mode as well, and get those, some of the PI part, for instance, those kind of interfaces automated as well. Primarily, Dolby's business is royalty reporting. So we have a lot of financially significant systems. So one of the goals that I had set for the team was at least about 50% of the FinSig applications to be automated. We are close to about 40%. By the end of this year, I think we'll far exceed our target and be close to 65%. Roughly around those numbers. And the coolest part is, after we automate every work stream, we send them a survey, an anonymous survey to our customers. And consistently, we've gotten feedback that, hey, we have peace of mind now with automation.